Good morning guys! It's my day 29 ng aking 100 na jumping jacks for 45 days challenge. Dito ako sa likod ng bahay namin kasi maglalaba ako ng aking uniforme pagkatapos ko mag-exercise. Alright, nagluto na tayo after mag-exercise. Linisan yung car. Okay, kaya tara. Medyo slippery lang dito. Good luck to me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50, 51, 53, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 16, 72, 24, 5, 26, 27, 8, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Alright. Okay. Pagligta ko yun sa ngaga, nagkitol-kitol na ko, nagluto, nagpalumsang ako nilabahan. After that, mapapanwa pa ko guro. Then, mahugas na sangkar. Mamahaw. Alright. Bye! Thank you guys. Happy Sunday everyone.